Plant FAQs. Begonia Rex Pink Charming. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Begonia Rex Pink Charming, a houseplant that lives up to its name. This begonia boasts stunning foliage with a captivating interplay of pink, green, and silver. Let's delve into caring for this beauty and explore some common queries. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Rex Pink Charming? The Begonia Rex Pink Charming is a captivating variety of the Rex begonia family, known for their vibrant and textured leaves. This particular cultivar features a captivating combination of colors. The base of the leaf is a cool, silvery green, splashed with vibrant pink hues, particularly along the edges. The leaves themselves are asymmetrical, adding to the plant's visual intrigue. How do I care for a Begonia Rex Pink Charming? Here's the good news. Begonia Rex Pink Charming is a relatively easy-to-care-for houseplant. Here's what you need to know. Light. Pink Charming thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. These tropical beauties love humidity. Consider using a pebble tray filled with water or a humidifier to increase the moisture around the plant. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining, light potting mix. A mixture formulated for African violets works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. Reduce or stop fertilizing during winter. Is Begonia Rex Pink Charming poisonous? Unfortunately, yes. Like many begonias, Pink Charming is mildly toxic. The sap and tubers can irritate skin and cause stomach upset if ingested. Keep this in mind if you have pets or small children. How big does Begonia Rex Pink Charming get? The Begonia Rex Pink Charming typically grows to a manageable size, reaching around 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, in height and width. Does Begonia Rex Pink Charming flower? While the foliage is the star of the show, Begonia Rex Pink Charming can occasionally produce small, inconspicuous flowers. However, the ornamental value lies primarily in the stunning leaves. How often should I repot Begonia Rex Pink Charming? Repot your Pink Charming when it becomes root-bound or outgrows its current pot. Signs of root-boundness include roots circling the pot's drainage holes and stunted growth. Opt for a pot just one size larger than the current one. Can I propagate Begonia Rex Pink Charming? Absolutely. Here are two common propagation methods. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf, cut it along the veins on the underside, and place it on a moist growing medium. Stem cuttings. Cut a healthy stem section with a few nodes, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a moist potting mix. What are some common problems with Begonia Rex Pink Charming? Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or low humidity. Leaf spots. Fungal issues can arise from poor air circulation. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil for control. Is Begonia Rex Pink Charming easy to care for compared to other begonias? Most Rex begonias share similar care requirements. Pink Charming isn't particularly fussy compared to other varieties. What are some good companion plants for Begonia Rex Pink Charming? Pink Charming pairs well with other low-light-loving plants with contrasting foliage. Consider ferns, philodendrons, or Chinese evergreens. Where can I buy a Begonia Rex Pink Charming? You can find Begonia Rex Pink Charming at many online plant retailers or local nurseries. Conclusion. The Begonia Rex Pink Charming is a stunning houseplant that injects vibrant color and texture into your home. With its relatively easygoing care requirements, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, why not add a touch of pink charm to your indoor space?